Hey everyone, thanks for joining us for another S.E.E.K Science Club video. And today we have a special guest who do not want you to know her name, so we're gonna go by her alias, which is Nelly.
Hi.
And we will be making
Edge control.
Yay! She really didn't want to do that part, but it's okay because you know I love the kids. So let's get started. The materials you are going to need to make your edge control are:
you're going to need a strainer, a glass bowl, flaxseed, honey, castor oil, a beaker, a container, and a spoon.
Awesome! In addition to that, you will also need glycerin oil, some xanthan gum, and phenonip so that we can preserve our natural edge control. Let's get started. Step number 1. What are we going to do, Nelly?
We're going to have to boil the flax seeds to get the base of the edge control.
Let's get started. And we're back. So you are going to need your strainer, and with the strainer, we are going to pour the liquid from the flaxseed into the strainer with also our beaker so that we can capture all of the liquid from the flaxseed oil to make our gel. So next step, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, a tablespoon of glycerin oil, and xanthan gum. And this is going to help bind everything together with a little bit of phenonip to preserve our natural gel that comes from flaxseed. Let's get started. Well, Nelly, since I'm calling you by your alias, why did you add more honey?
Because you want to add more honey if you want. It's optional to have a firmer hold.
Okay, so firmer hold, lay those edges down. And remember, you gotta make sure that you practice and test out different ways on what you want your edge control to do. You may wanna add more shine by using more glycerin oil. Or you may not even wanna add xanthan gum because this is supposed to bind it together, but you have to be very careful when using xanthan gum, okay?
Okay, the next part is you pour your gel inside the container and let it cool down.
All right, now you can try to do this at home on your own, but again, just remember you have to try it more than just once. You have to get your own consistency. So thanks for following us, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And Nelly, where can they find you?
At Pines Middle.
Oh, she just really want to keep it A-list classy. Don't know anything, just Nelly. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and move forward to another video. Make sure you subscribe and don't forget to leave a comment and share. Bye.